I agree with Marie. Here's what I think is happening. You know what? I put it together. Marie's right that the prosecution could have done a better job. You know what I think is happening? I don't think the prosecution, and I'm guessing here, I don't think the prosecution thought that this trial would get national attention. They saw that this man had fired his attorney. They were trying to plea out the case. They wanted to play out the case because the investigation was done in a little bit of a roughshod manner, as Marie is saying. So I think that they didn't put their A game in, and I don't think they had their A prosecutors, and all of a sudden this thing got national attention. When a prosecutor hears that this person is going to defend themselves, I've been in those rooms, by the way. It's the defense attorney will tell the prosecutor, I just got fired. And then the judge will groan and say, now this person is going to defend themselves. Everybody in the system knows what it means when a defendant defends themselves. Believe me, I've been in those rooms. So I think they did not put on their A game, and I think that they did not expect him to have as much piss and vinegar in him as he does, right? And that's what Marie is bringing up, that he's actually putting up a fight, and I don't think they expected it, and now they're midway through the ball game. It's like when an airplane is taking off and it reaches a speed that it cannot safely abandon takeoff. I forget what the name of what the airline industry thing is, but it can no longer safely abandon a takeoff. That's where this case reached until the prosecution realized, oh, wow, wait a minute. This is going to be watched by millions of people, and we haven't really prepped it right. So that's what I think is happening. I still believe that we're going to see a conviction. I think the evidence against him is overwhelming, and I think he's doing a good job at distracting the attention of the jurors. But I still think that the evidence against him is overwhelming. But I do agree with Marie's analysis. I'm interested to see how this thing concludes. I'm going to bet Marie a coffee over she's been right before, so.